Top 5 smallest birds in the world. Fifth, brown garrigon, size about 8 to 9 centimeters, 3.1 to 3.5 in, found in eastern Australia. A tiny gray-brown forest bird known for its soft, whistling call. Fourth, gold crest, size about 8.5 to 9.5 centimeters, 3.3 to 3.7 in, found in Europe and parts of Asia. Europe's smallest bird with a golden stripe on its head. Third, weebull, size about 8 centimeters, 3.1 in, found in Australia, named for its tiny wee bill. This is Australia's smallest bird. Second, Costa's hummingbird, size about 7.6 to 8 centimeters, 3 in, found in southwestern United States and Mexico, known for its purple crown and throat and its ability to hover in midair. First, the hummingbird, found in Cuba, size about 5 to 6 centimeters to 2.4 in. The smallest bird in the world, even smaller than many insects.